Wala. Kasi nagkataon sila ko na magang ganyan.
Ay, okay. Pero ngayon lang?
Ha?
Ngayon lang? Now that I'm full, I'm ready to get the second dose of vaccine today. Hi everyone, my name is Melvin from the Philippines. I am a second-year international MBA student at Renmin University of China. So today is actually a very exciting day because I'm finally getting the second dose of vaccine here at my university. So it has been 28 days when I received the first dose of the vaccine, and I would say that it was really a good experience. After taking the first shot, I consistently observed myself. So far, thankfully, my body is responding well, and it did not give me any bad reaction. There was no pain at all. So I feel good and healthy actually. So now I just arrived at the vaccination site with other international students. So we're just falling in line and waiting for us to be called to go inside. Telephone number, okay.
Name and date.
Name and date. That's great. How about this second form? Do I need to? Also this one too? Okay, thank you. How about this one? No?
No.
Okay, just the phone number. Okay. 好。对，就是好。好，谢谢。Where next one? Just this side? Okay, thank you. 对，这个对。
往前一点，第几针？第二针。
二，对。
第二针在右边。
啊，这个好。
好了，可以了，压着棉签5分钟啊。
So finally I just got the second dose of vaccine, and now I am in the under 30 minutes observation to see if there will be any reaction after taking the vaccine. But so far I'm feeling good. I didn't feel any pain. The process was so smooth, so it's all fine. First of all, I am really happy and grateful that I am able to get vaccinated here in Beijing. But at the same time, of course, I could not help it but think about my country, which is the Philippines, which is also hardly hit by this pandemic. You know, most especially my family, my friends, my relatives, and all those people that are so close to my heart. I hope that by sharing this vaccine experience that I have here in China, I would be, somehow able to encourage them to get vaccinated. This is now my second year of living in China, and it has been an amazing journey for me so far. And now that life is almost back to normal in China, I could not wait to go out there again and explore China and learn more about this country.